All the dope is in the building, chillin' like a villain. Me and your bitch are linking, all the weed is stinking. Smoking and drinking, know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking, I'm snapping.
Yeah.
Yeah, all I need is a bag of weed and a little bit of sleep to do my thing. I got my dreams, I got my motives. Start to slip, I can't even hold it. Start your engines, rev your motors. It all comes down to the one single moment in your life that matters so much. Facing my opponent, stinging like a hornet, leaving the dust with the face just crushed. I'm straight like I ate a piece of pizza, just left the crust on the plate to tease ya. I wouldn't wanna be a menace to society, no modesty. Get high with me in the sky, with me smoke a blunt of the skunk and fly with me. We chillin' like a villain, so ride with me, don't lie to me. I'm an oddity, monstrosity, can't defeat the beast inside of me. It's a colony, I'm probably playing you motherfuckers like Monopoly. Honestly, it's ecology. You ain't winning the beat and the dropping me. I'm freaking in the weekend, no stopping me. I'm leaving in the deep end on the balcony. Got wishes of bitches on top of me. I'm licking the switches with a lot of weed. Got a clip with 9 and a poppin' 3. I fiend for the green like broccoli. Gotta get away, gotta go away to a different pace. Sitting here wishing to disintegrate motherfuckers. The dope is in the building and I'm chillin' like a villain. Me and the bitch are linking, the weed is stinking. We smoking and drinking. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking, I know what you're thinking, I know what you're thinking. I'm snapping, and motherfucking snapping when I'm rapping. We snapping, we motherfucking snapping, sipping captain. That captain got me tipsy, so I'm snapping when I'm rapping. I'm snapping, listen, yeah. I bang with the tap, acting stupid with veins full of meth. Brings pain and distress. Came in the game to gain some respect. In the stains from the sex require brains for a test. I'm insane, spit the flame that they claim is the best. Staying motivated when my eyes are dilated. And you saying that I'm great, but that's an understatement. Through all the pain and the change, I made it, yeah. Hoping someday that I'll raise out the basement. Came to gain everything you hate, cause I'm faded. Going through amazing phases, blazing Jamaican till I'm looking Asian. Saying fuck it, you hating. My eyes red cause of all that haze. My mind sharp as a razor blade. Staying up and awake for 10 days straight. Writing these raps with hopes to get paid. Won't stop spitting till you feel the bass. Cause I'm real in this place and you are fake. Got something to say, then say to my face. To reject, I'm an ace to a rat. To a snake, attack it with a bat till they just faint. Up on the clouds all day, yeah, we stay baked. Saying fuck it if you hate, yeah. The dope is in the building and I'm chillin' like a villain. Me and your bitch are linking, the weed is stinking. We smoking and drinking. I know what you're thinking. 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 I'm snapping. I'm motherfucking snapping when I'm rapping. I'm snapping. Sipping on the captain. Yeah, I'm tipsy. I'm snapping. I'm motherfucking snapping. Yeah, I'm snapping. I'm motherfucking snapping. Listen.